Before you plant the pretty vine or exotic flower you saw online, stop. Some plants are not just high maintenance, they're garden destroyers. Here are 10 plants you should never grow, no matter how beautiful they look. Number 1. Bamboo, the silent invader. It looks peaceful, but bamboo spreads underground like wildfire. Its roots, called rhizomes, can travel several feet each season, even under fences. Before long, your garden becomes a bamboo jungle, and your neighbors won't thank you for it. Number 2. Mint, the creeping thief. Mint smells refreshing but behaves like a weed on steroids. Once planted in open soil, it invades every corner. Grow it only in containers, or you'll never stop pulling it out. Number 3. English ivy, the wall killer. It may look charming on stone walls, but ivy traps moisture, damages brickwork, and suffocates trees. Left alone, it becomes a parasite that slowly strangles everything it touches. Number 4. Wisteria, the beauty with a grip. Wisteria blooms like heaven in spring, but its vines can twist metal and crush wooden structures. It's the plant version of a boa constrictor, beautiful, until it wraps too tight. Number 5. Eucalyptus, the greedy giant. Eucalyptus trees grow fast, too fast. Their roots drink everything in sight and release oils that can stop other plants from growing nearby. They're perfect for forests, not backyards. Number 6. Japanese knotweed, the property destroyer. Illegal to plant in many places. Its roots can break through concrete, pipes, and foundations. If you find it, call professionals, not a shovel. Number 7. Oleander, the deadly beauty. Every part of this plant is toxic. Leaves, sap, flowers. Even the smoke from burning it can be harmful. It's stunning but deadly. Keep it far from kids and pets. Number 8. Morning glory, the pretty choker. It looks innocent, but it spreads fast and tangles around other plants. Within months, it can form thick mats that block sunlight and kill your flowers. Number 9. Tree of heaven, the air assassin. This fast-growing tree releases chemicals into the soil that kill nearby plants. Its name may sound divine, but your garden will feel like a wasteland once it takes over. Number 10. Poison ivy, the obvious enemy. It needs no introduction. One brush against its oily leaves and you'll remember it for weeks. Even composting it is risky. Its toxins survive the heat. So before you buy another fast-growing or low-maintenance plant, remember, some growth isn't good growth. A healthy garden starts with choosing plants that coexist, not conquer. If this helped you, subscribe and hit like. Share it with a friend before they plant one of these mistakes.